gosh, I just finished to do all documents I need to provide to the school I will be going next year. That was one of the things that bothers me the most in my entire fucking life. But anyway, let's do another thing, which is really more interesting for me. You maybe saw that my content has changed a bit, and that's normal because I decided to do something else, not to do something else, but more doing something that I like doing more, which is simply to do more cinematic shots, better photos and videos, because that's something I really love, that I like doing more. Because I saw the content I was delivering and I was liking it, but there was something that was missing, and that's something I think I was like hiding from myself all the time. Because when you hear all the voices around you, you may, if you want to do more content and really grow your channels, you may be in the thing of doing more posts but not having the greatest quality video, the greatest camera, the best settings or whatever. But I discovered that not only I was liking to do videos and great photos, but that also was my way of communicating, and that's really important. Because when you are on this thing pretty much around 6 to 5 hours in your day, you would prefer to enjoy those hours more. And I was liking to do it, but over time I felt like that wasn't really the best thing I can do. I could do more and I would like it more. But because all the voice I heard around me, I was like, no, that's not maybe the best thing to do. But the thing is that basically there is no best thing to do. The best thing to do is the best thing to do. That's a lot of best thing to do. Again, one time, the best thing to do is the thing that you will do for yourself, that you would like the most. Simply. As simple as that. But even if you may see that the style of the piece of content that I give you change, the core subject of what I'm talking about will stay the same, of course. But what perspective I want to bring is that you may have a certain way to deliver the content that you have, but you wasn't sure enough if you could deliver the content that you are giving or anything the way that you would like to. And when you realize that makes the process easier because you like it more, as simple as that. Also, thinking about doing all of that make me got an idea. Basically, what I would like to do is to create my own digital marketing agency, inspiring people to do what they love on a daily basis, and a whole lot of stuff. But those are one of the main ones. And when you need to train yourself to do digital marketing, the basic process I would go into is to go in a store or in a little business. I've asked if I can manage their Instagram account, create one, Instagram or Facebook or YouTube or whatever, and basically doing the content for them. But I just realized, hey Gab, if you would like to understand photography more and making a living with it, you just got to do the same thing, going into a business and to basically ask someone if they would like to have content, video or photo. And I've understood really quickly that I can combine the two. And actually those two things weren't the same or weren't close to each other. But when you have one, if you go to another, this is a logic bond, if you can follow me on my way of thinking. Basically what I would go for is to, when I will be in a much bigger city, because when I will go to school next year I will be in a bigger city than I am. Actually I'm in a little village of a few thousand, like what, 3,000 or 4,000 inhabitants, so that's not a lot. After that I will be in a much more bigger city with a whole lot of business and a whole lot of potential customers. So the strategy I will go for is to basically go into a business, ask if they would like to have content, video or photo. Then if they are okay with that, I will do them basically content. After that I would ask, hey, I also manage Facebook account, Instagram, social media in general. Would you like me to manage them? Because they saw my services, and if they actually like my services, they are more likely to say yes. After that, what I could do is to ask for them if I can grow their business, or at least help their business to grow using social media. That's really a great strategy, I thought, because when you come to business and ask if you can manage their social media, oftentimes that's not a big thing, but that's really complicated to do. You got to trust the person, of course, and that's not really a permission we'll give to anyone. If you just ask a few photos or videos, everybody needs one for their website, social media, or whatever. The chances for those persons to actually accept my proposition are much higher, because they will know me a bit. The chances for them to accept my next proposition, which will be for me to manage their social media accounts, are much higher too. And that's really a simple but interesting idea I got. I was really excited when I just got it. So I wanted to share it with you guys, and maybe it helped you to see things from another perspective, and I hope it helped you in any way. And I hope you will like the new form of content I'm doing, because that's also the goal. So I hope you like this video. Please share it, like it, and subscribe. You know what to do if you like it, and I see you in the next one. Bye.